Hi guys, hi YouTube family. Happy Family Day to you guys and your family. I hope you guys are enjoying your day or enjoyed your day, because this vlog is gonna be posted like probably in January, because the whole December I'll be too busy not editing but just busy with the fam. So all 3 vlogs will be posted in January, but I hope you guys are enjoying. Happy Family Day to all of you guys. I slept at my grandfather's place, hence the reason why I'm wearing yesterday's outfit, and I'm standing by the window because there's better lighting here. People outside. What's the time now? Let me check the time. Okay, it's 11:57, almost 12 o'clock. We've been awake since 6 a.m. and we've been busy with a lot, actually. Like, made breakfast. Okay, my phone was flat, that's why I didn't vlog. We made breakfast. We washed the white tablecloths that we used yesterday, because we're using them today again. People have already started coming from the other farms, and let me just show you guys what's happening outside, because I really don't know how to explain it right now. I just wanted to start off the vlog because usually I don't. I also forgot to end yesterday's vlog, the previous vlog. I said I'm gonna do better, so I don't know what happened there. But yeah, guys, yeah. I'm still waiting for my parents and the kids to come. They're still not here. And then we also need to go back to our farm, so my sister and I and my brothers can go get our clothes. But yeah, guys, it is hectic, but it is family time and it's fun. It's lekker. Guys, family time is amazing. Truly amazing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and all the other vlogs. I hope you guys are subscribed already. To the new subscribers, hi, my name is Utya. Welcome to my channel. My voice doesn't usually sound like this. It's just because I had flu, and yeah, I had flu, so it sounds crazy as hell. But yeah, stay tuned in to all my videos, and I guys, I really don't know what to say to you guys, so I'm just gonna stop talking right now. But yeah, I love you guys. We also need to come up with a name for our channel, man. YouTube family. Until when? No. We need to come up with like a nah. I don't know. Buomikis. I don't know, guys. Please comment down below what you guys would want our channel, this family, to be called. So this is what's happening outside. Everybody's busy. We removed the side thingies of the tent, whatever it's called. Tuma! Say hi to my channel. Today the unomaki nino sapiso kono kwa buku school njerra. Hi. Say hi.
Almost. Ndivera na ori jemu mbendo rubo.
Boy. Nataka. Ngure. Nikuranje. Okosere bunyipata. Those were the dishes from last night. Those ones are the ones that we're using today. Hi. Hi, little buddy. Aya nduve wangu kumuni inambi authentic avihe. Mwanumbuviri nauri. The raw content. So this is okay. That setup, that was yesterday's setup. There's nothing going on there. But this is today's setup. The girls are playing. Hello. Knock. Yes. Can I come in? Yes. Hi. Hello. Say hi to my channel.
Hello.
Wow.
Hello to our channel.
Hi. You guys can close now.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Komo.
Hello.
Say hi to my channel. Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe to her channel, hit that like button and subscribe.
Yes. So this is. Hi.
Guys, make sure to subscribe and like the video because we're almost reaching 200 subscribers.
No, 600 subscribers.
So we are almost reaching 600 subscribers. Sure to like that button and subscribe and comment.
Yes. Almost 600 subscribers. Nata Damba. Emma, wait. Say hi. Hi. And then this is the okay. There's like a prize situation going on here, but there's no meat yet. They just switched on the. This is Kapix to General. Enjoy no mara.
Yeah?
So kuta no kam mama.
How to?
Yeah. Hi Rongere.
Hi.
Kido.
Kungura hapo. Oh, and then there's a pool situation happening here for the kitties. This is a camp shower, so they first have to come shower before they go in the pool. And then there's the two pools over here for our little babies. Mama, is alone. Hello, hi. Urinawa? Go to Rama. Yes. One worry. Say hi to my channel. Tell them to subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Yes. And then you down it before you see a plant.
What plakat?
Plakat apa muka mungkin. This could be done. Mereka juga plakat kirim mana benar. Sudah show.
Us. Oh, belum ombo. Oh iya, Rauli. Au. Dia go vloga. Us. Ngira boy, utia. Subscribe hapo.
Hi guys. Hi. We growing the balloons. We are blowing the balloons are being brown. Balloons that we're using for the deco.
Subscribe ambaye poshi kewa ingiro shina boy. Subscribe boy. Ni. Jirare, mbao jirare.
Subscribe the thing. Please like and subscribe.
Ase believe toch man. Mocheka.
Ya wens. Kezizo meti mofise. Sino kutese. Ndi vihu zalikise. Ya birikuna munene mbano.
No muno fele mafandame.
Origaneto, please like and subscribe ne. Subscribe. Ase believe. Samet mi masekendi sowoka. I dodge.
What is used by everybody belongs to
Name.
Yeah, that is why I don't want it. People are come now. If there's talking. Okay.
My name is Komo.
Okay. What can you bring? Even if you never
What did you say?
or touch it. Sometimes.
A name.
Miss.
Yes. Okay, all right. Okay. Kids can make it.
Hi. Sorry, Mama.
Making a YouTube channel, but they can never hold or see. They can make it or show. Kids can make it, but they can never hold it or see it, but they can make it. What is it? Bashavi or the more oh, no, because I didn't want to say, okay, kids can make it, but never hold or see. What is it? They can, yeah? Oh, kids can make it, but they can make it, they can never hold it or see it, but they can make it, they know how to make it.
Ay, unga mamnyan voka na hapo. Sipe. Yera ngani si kapotet keke.
Okay, all right, okay. He shaves every day, but his hair grows every day. Why? Yes. Sometimes he grows, but he shaves every day. Because he's a baba. He's a baba.
Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and do the most. Today is family day. Tell them Muchai Skara Pikende.
Yes. So guys, they're moving the pools over to that side. Oh, this one looks dark. And then the people here are busy. Oh, Masha. My cousin is making breads. Is here by the bread. Her whole wife. Tell us hi, Masha.
Hi.
Say hi to my channel. Tell them to subscribe. Comment. Share. Yes. Don't look at my
We are making the bread. No images at all. There by the
fire.
What is the Instagram handle?
Keep me company. Am I wrong on your home?
Like it herpy, but she like herpy.
Ami. Mama and Auntie Aleta say hi.
Kitchen supervisors.
Pandami wala boroto.
Kanda boroto masamo ka solo to mo ka boroto. Ka moista. Ule na mo ka boroto ko tero to. Ubatera ko. Kishita ko sha. Ikari ro softa.
Yeah. Namuzo mambongo. Mutwe muuze.
Come back for the after. This is the before. Come back for the after.
Yes. Hi, Jaylin.
Hi. Hi.
Say hi. Hi, YouTube.
Hi.
How are you guys?
I'm fine.
You're fine.
Yes.
What's your name?
Jelly.
Your surname? What's your surname?
Jelly. Jelly.
Yes.
What is your father's name?
Edison.
And they sent you what?
Carnegie.
Where is he?
Wake.
Is it work? So guys, so fair. The kids are playing. The kids are playing over here, and the pools are up. I'm gonna show you guys now. Then over here we have the prize situation. The prize situation. We have the Zali, the main organizer. We have my sister. We have my cousins. And my no, this one is my wife.
Home can do it.
Groot sister, hoe gaan het? Wat maak je? Wat brei? Boerenworstjes. And then those people over here are busy trying to do the setup. You know, the background where pictures are gonna be taken and all that. So yeah, let me show you guys the pool. The kitties wanna go swim. This is where you shower. But my mother's also here. Mama, hello.
Hi, Gale.
What are you doing?
Peta matuka ungura na yo set up your Hawaii mega tulipo ona pupeno sino iko so we are creating to be creative of inausha vimunika na wao so stay tuned.
Yes. Mambo ngiga no uri vaporo miti
tugonjo
to come back again. Yes.
The other one is in the oven.
Yeah, the oven is underneath here.
This one is waiting for its chance to go in. Esuru now amunuto.
Yes.
Mati kutoka teno ho. Kafanera. Akuki mati taka gudi. Oflawa zonga. Magi ugiyomo.
Oh hi. No.
Come here. Come up. Dino ndio ombura njongo demona na biomo.
Ongwe.
Ongole mayo njugo be.
Omandu go YouTuber ni beshanga obe mu comments sorry.
I'm eating my waffles. I love waffles. And I even have strawberry. Look. My pink.
So as you guys can see, you know, right now, at first I was very exhausted, but I'm better now. Everyone is busy with something. Because one thing about my family, they will help each other. Eh? The what? The balloons. So the kiddies are busy swimming, and then the boys, the big boys, are playing. And here we have the pride run by me and Rongi. Yeah, and then Those people are busy with the photo booth. They're trying to create a photo booth here. So this is what they're busy with. Yeah. This one is fixing.
Don't put it come down, boss.
What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Say hi to the followers.
Hi.
I don't know. Hi guys, we are setting up the balloons right here so we can start. So we are setting up the balloons so we can get started. There's Ucha. Getting ready to set up for family day. There is the tables. There is the photo shoot type of thing setting. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Say they must like and subscribe. Guys, say hi. Another phone.
Like and subscribe. We're playing chess.
Don't like and subscribe. This girl doesn't know how to record.
Look at your son. Say hi. Masha, say hi. Say hi, say hi. Masha, say hi to the mom.
Look here, guys. She's the best. Happy family day, guys. Yeah. There is Shibe. Shibe, where is Shibe? Baby, no. Where's the blue now? We are busy with the decoration. People playing games back, and they're cleaning for games.
Maturisa omeza ngomi kana matu nyingenisani okushende matuto batenga okusha atutonda uhatora sponsor shenu. You take a sponge, right? Then you go and squeeze water in your bottle. Then you run back, give to the next person goes. The first team to fill it up, they are the winners. Yes. Okay.
Mommy, go.
Go. Squeeze, Mumu. Don't put the sponge in. Squeeze the water in. Come on, Magoto.
Yeah, come. Red team! Come on! Red! Come on!
Take your time.
We're almost there.
Now go! Dapat, ilu dapat. Come on now, go. Go back now, go. Yes! Yes, team! Red team, the trophy.
Put it somewhere there. Yeah? Winning team, not just that. Where's the cup? Hold the cup, guys. Blue, you jump on the blue side. If I say yellow, you jump on the yellow side. Mamu munanu, chimba shabi blue, mamu muda blue. Chimba shabi yellow, when muda yellow. She was the one week of our pitch. Yeah. Mamu munanu, then you are out. If I say yellow and you are on the blue side, then you are out, right? You go get to green side. You understand? Mamu mudu amuhe. Okay, good. How do you do? Okay. Blue. Peter, all the no for Peter. No. All the blue. Sorry. Go and go to grandma and grandpa. Okay, listen. You must listen. It's about listening. Here is blue. And here is, can you see the yellow? If I say yellow, then you jump over the line. Shimbasha yellow, no? Osha motuka mundam. Wadunu. Shimbasha blue, oyaruka mundam. Mamudu now. Okay, nambano gatuchi. Blue. Okay. Bye. Okay, come on. If I say blue, you don't need to jump because you are on blue already. Can you see? If I say blue, you just stand. Yeah. If I say yellow, it's when you jump to yellow. Shimba shavi blue and then blue nenu. Osha kamuna kutuka ka. Shimba shavi yellow, shima mutuka. Wadu. Good. Yellow. Wapiti. Twende kwa upa. Yellow. Hey, yellow. Okay, Mario. Oh, okay, Mario. Okay, Mario could train now, bring another Anash, or Rubio Anash, who shall put any. Mario ever came on the school, no? Blue. Yellow. And you must be fast, right? What now? What can you English? Okay. Blue. Yellow. Blue. Yellow. Blue. Yellow. Blue. Blue. Yellow. Blue. Out. Blue. Yellow. Blue. Yellow. Blue. Yellow. 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 Blue. Yellow. And you must be fast. Out. Come to grandma. Blue. You must be fast. Yeah? You must be fast. Okay, now move forward.
Happy Family Day from my studios. Mama, hi.
Hi guys. We are drossing. We're going to the soccer fields.
Our uncles and our boyfriends are playing a soccer.
Our uncles and our Shiramwes, high schools are playing with another team from another class. So yeah. Guys, we're at the soccer field now. People are busy. My voice is gone again. Hello, ma. Hi guys, we're at the soccer field again. Our brothers, our cousins, our uncles, our men, our Shiramwes, our high schools, our workers. So we're here to support them. Woo! The boys are here. The boys are here. Let's run to the car, guys. Let's run to the car. Let's run to the car. Let's run to the car. Okay, here we are.
I'll call you. I say what I say.
We played
Hawaii, Hawaii. Mama kuga.
La ola.